I am subtraction, and this is my action. I take a number or an amount away from another with satisfaction. I'm subtraction, and I'll show you what I do. When you have a whole number, I decrease a number size, it's true. I'm a subtraction symbol.
Hello girls, we're beginning our day number 2, learning about subtraction stories. Today is going to be very special because I'm going to invite you to make your own subtraction story. It's going to be a little project that you are going to do at home, so follow the steps and the instructions. Let's go! To begin, you will need a piece of white paper and markers, okay, or color pencils, whatever you have at your house, okay? So this piece of paper, we need to fold it in 4. So I first do it like this, corner with corner, and I press it very hard, and then I open it and I do it the other way. So you're going to have 4 spaces. What we're going to do next is that we're going to write numbers from 1 to 4 in order to show our subtraction story. Okay, here's the paper divided in 4 parts, and now it's my time to write the numbers. How I'm going to do it? Pick up a pencil and I write number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that is how it's going to look your paper with the 4 numbers. Those 4 numbers are the 4 steps that we're going to follow for our subtraction story. Step number 1. Let's think about our subtraction story. What are we going to talk about? In my case, I have decided that I want to talk about flowers that I have and that I give away. Why give away? Because we're talking about subtraction. So let's see. I'm going to draw my flowers. Okay, I draw my flowers. You can draw trees, apples, shoes, dogs, whatever you like, and choose the amount. I choose that I have 5 flowers. And I give 3 flowers to my mother. So I'm going to show how I'm going to give 3. I will cross out 3. So there is my subtraction story. There are no words, but I can read the pictures. I have 5 flowers and I gave away 3 flowers to my mother. Step number 2. My step number 2 will be write the subtraction equation for this problem. Okay, I have to think, how many flowers did I have at the beginning? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So my subtraction will begin with number 5. And how many did I give to my mother? 3. If I am talking about giving away, the symbol that I'm going to use is minus. Okay, I'm going to do it big so that we see that is minus. And how many flowers did I give away? 1, 2, and 3. So I write number 3. equals, that will give me the answer, and I will still not write the answer because I will choose this strategy. Step number 3. Choose the strategy to subtract. I will show you the 3 strategies that we learn, and then when you do your project, you choose the one that best fits for you and that makes it easier for you to subtract. The first strategy that I am going to show you in step number 3 is subtract by taking away. I am not going to draw the flowers again, but I can represent the flowers with circles. And I have to think now, how many flowers were at the beginning of the story? 5. So I will draw 5 circles. And I have to show how many I take away. I will use another color. And I give away, 3. 1, 2, and 3. So how many flowers are left? 2. Also, we learned the strategy about subtracting using number bonds. Let's see. I will draw my number bond. And how do I complete it? Let's think. Look at the problem. How many flowers were at the beginning? 5. That 5 shows my whole. And the whole of my number bond is here. So there I will write 5. How many flowers did I give to my mother? I gave 3 flowers. So that is one part of my number bond. And now I have to think, well, if I have 5 and I gave away 3, what number is missing there to make 5? What number with 3 makes 5? So I know that 3, 4, 5. That's 2. So that part of my number bond is showing me that those are the flowers that I have left. What was the other strategy that we learned? We learned subtracting by counting back. Do I need to write all the numbers? No, I can just write the numbers from my subtraction story. So, where do I begin? How many flowers did I have at the beginning? 5. So I will write numbers from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I begin counting back from 5. So I make a dot and I go counting back how many times? 3, because those are the flowers that I gave away. 1, 2, and 3. And that gives me 2. That 2 means the 2 flowers that are left. And our last step, the 4th step. Look how my project is looking now, my subtraction story. I have the story. I have my subtraction equation. I showed you the 3 strategies, but you are going to choose only one. And now the 4th step, the last one. We need to write the answer and show the answer. Okay, so I know then, according to my strategy that I use, that 5 minus 3 equals 2. But that's not all. I need to give an answer. So I'm going to show in the 4th square my answer this way. How many flowers are left? I am answering the question. How many flowers are left? 2. I will draw flowers because in that way we're not writing a lot. 2 flowers are left. And look, that is my subtraction story. I will write my name because this is my subtraction story. Miss Carola. Girls, it's ready. Look how beautiful it looks, my subtraction story. I have my story, my subtraction equation. I show a strategy, and then I give the answer. Girls, please try to do it. And when you finish, take a picture of your subtraction story and send it to Edmodo so that we can share. Good luck, do your best, use your imagination, choose a strategy, and make your brain get stronger.
I am subtraction, and this is my action. I take a number or an amount away from another with satisfaction. I'm subtraction, and I'll show you what I do. When you have a whole number, I decrease a number size, it's true. I'm a subtraction symbol.